In C++, there is a concept called destructor. We learned a concept called constructor. Now opposite of that is destructor. Let us learn its purpose. So first we'll create a class. Now we are building a class called team here. Now let us declare a private variable called size. When we declare a private variable, by default the variables are private in classes in C++. So if I do not declare private here, whatever is without any declaration on the top becomes a private variable, right? So below this we can declare public things. So here we'll make a constructor, so the same name and without any return thing, and we'll declare a team size of say 11. Typical say cricket, football or hockey team is 11. So we'll make like that. And here what happens when this class object is created, constructor is called. But when this class object is no more useful, then a destructor is called, right? So a destructor is with this tilde sign and the same as constructor name or class name. And here what we are doing is we are saying that size is equal to 0. Normally when destructors are used, a lot of memory clearing can also be done in destructors. So here we are calling an object team A, and we are saying that if size, but size of A, because A is the object, size, and let us also write a function called to return that size, because that's a private variable. We'll write this size function and return size variable. So this function can be called like this. This function name is with capital here. Our size has a small name starting, is equal to 11. So I can definitely say with this that when this size, whenever this was formed, so size must have been set to 11 because constructor says that set it to 11. I can definitely say that team A is formed, right? This way we can say. This I am doing for a specific purpose. And here what will be within this if, outside if will declare this team A as an object, and within this if I am declaring another object of team B. So B is an object, team is the class name, right? So if B dot size is equal to 11, then I can certainly say that team B also formed, because whenever this is called, then size of B must have also been set to 11 because constructor would be called. Okay, so team B is also formed. We'll finish this sentence. Now at this point what will happen? Just see, because this team has been declared within this scope, because this scope is governed by these curly braces. So here this team B will become irrelevant because it will no more be there. So destructor will be called here, will be automatically called because the scope of team B is now out. So if I say cout A dot size, so this will return a value because it is outside that if scope. But if I say this for B, destructor is called. So this object will no more remain there. Let us see. Let us see it for A first. Let us run it. Okay. Let us run this program. What is happening is there is some error. Yes, handle is not right. Okay. Let us check it again. Team A is formed, team B is also formed, and this 11 has come up. This both formation has been done. Now if I try to check this as well, size outside that scope, what will happen? This will show an error here. What is the error? Let us see that list. B was not declared in this scope. Because this B already the destructor has been called. We might have to create B again here. So then only this can work. If I declare it again here, team B here, then this might set to 11 again. Let us see it. So it is set. But here I wanted to test whether the destructor is functioning. Yes, the destructor is functioning because after destruction, this simply destroyed. And whatever things I set inside will be run, but I can't test it here. So simply this place is used to actually clear up memory and all those kind of functions. So this is the purpose of destructor, and where it is called, this you have understood. Whenever the object goes out of scope, it is called. So team A will be destroyed only when I go out of scope of main. So if I have to actually run this kind of object destruction, I might have to test it with multiple functions. But here I could test within the if scope. The destructor functionality we tested well. Okay.
Please like, share and subscribe.